Good morning. Look at that sunrise. It's beautiful. Okay, this morning I am having some fried potatoes. I made gravy yesterday for chicken. I've got biscuits, and I had some frozen sausage crumbles. So I pulled some of those out. I'm going to heat this up in the microwave. I was going to have biscuits, but I've decided to have a sausage gravy potato burrito. Yeah, I need to use up these. And I think I'll hang on to those biscuits for tomorrow. So I want to go ahead and make a tortilla burrito, All right, there's my breakfast burrito. I can't roll that up with one hand. Yeah. Potatoes, fried potatoes, sausage, and gravy. Oh my goodness, look what I'm cooking. Finally. Yeah, I'm cooking that. Stovetop stuffing. And this is chicken gravy. Chicken gravy. And I need to turn that way down. Chicken gravy, and I pulled some shredded pork out of the freezer. I have two different ones. Cooked pulled pork from July, and then both of these are from July. Shredded pork cooked. So yeah, we're gonna eat that tonight with the stuffing and this chicken gravy with some pulled pork. That looks almost done, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I didn't clean my pot out. I just dumped the gravy into this bowl, added the water. Oh, I need to add the butter. Add the butter. It says 4 tablespoons of butter. That's close enough. I'll wait for that to melt, and then I will put the stovetop stuffing in there. Pulled pork, stuffing with gravy, cranberry sauce. There's a baby frog right there. Got all kinds of wildlife here. Frogs and bunnies and quail. Yeah. Goodness. Yeah.
Feels like I'm forgetting something, but I can't think of what it would be.
I was going to say, you can move that. So where are we going?
We're going to Lowe's and gonna go eat at Chili's.
Okay. Ooh, look at you, Miss Construction Worker.
I'm all official.
She's taking her coffee in too. Alright, let's go into Lowe's. Oh, I need to lock the fan. Going to eat at Chili's. Chili! Alright, the bookmobile is here in the RV park. It comes once a month, so we finally caught it, so we're gonna see if we just knock on the door or what. What are we gonna do? Just stand here?
No, we're gonna go to the door.
Alright. I'll get a library card.
That's a lot of sources. Yeah,
And that's cool.
Yeah.